Open the hand mesh's skeleton in Content, Hands, Mesh, sk_hand_skeleton. Right-click on Hand at the top of the skeleton's hierarchy, and hover over Preview Mesh, then select the mesh of whatever you're making the custom hand pose for. Now you can pose the hand however you want. If you want to modify an existing vanilla hand pose, click on Preview Animation in the top left and select from the array of hand sequences. Once you've found something similar to what you need, adjust the pose. Make sure to pause the animation at the bottom of your screen. If you want to change the mesh to a different vanilla hand, you can do so in the top left beside Preview Animation. Once you are happy with your new pose, click on Create Asset. Hover over Create Animation, then select Current Pose. Select the path for this new sequence to be saved. Make sure its name does not collide with any other sequences in that folder, or they will be overwritten. You can right-click on the hand again and select Remove All Attached Assets to clear the preview mesh. It is currently impossible to have a different hand sequence depending on which hand is holding the gun. This means you need to try and make a hand pose which can be perfectly mirrored. The third-person animations are for the player model. These need to be created separate to the first-person hand sequences. Luckily, the developers have included a Blender script to automate the process. Right-click and export your custom hand sequence. Locate your Pavlov project files in the Windows Explorer. Open the Blender folder, then Anim Converter. Drag and drop your newly exported file into First Person Animations. Now open Blender, and open the Blender project from the Anim Converter folder. All you have to do is click Run Script in the top right. Return to Windows File Explorer, and open Third Person Animations. This new file is the third-person animation for your hand sequence. Import this new file into Unreal Engine, and make sure to select UE4_mannequin_skeleton as its skeleton. Make sure it's the one located in Content, Movement Anim Set Pro, UE4_mannequin, Mesh. After importing, you should have the exact same few errors that I have here. These can be ignored. If you have different errors, you've likely done something wrong. This concludes my tutorial for creating custom hand poses. If you found this helpful, a subscription would be appreciated.